Are you finding it difficult to focus on your studies? Are textbooks very, very disengaging to you? Do you run away from textbooks? Or do you find it difficult to read? Do you find it very, very difficult to study? We are going to talk about this now. I think many students have this problem, and almost one half of the students that I talk to on a daily basis have this problem. They can do anything in the world but not study. And for many students, textbooks have become sleeping pills. If they do not find sleep, they open a textbook and then it sets you on a sleep mode. Is this your problem? I think we have some solutions for this. We need to go into the root of why you don't enjoy studying, why you don't enjoy reading. The same person who is not enjoying reading a textbook or doing a homework, if this person goes to a movie theater and is there to watch a movie he or she likes, do you think this person will lack concentration? This person will not be able to focus? No. This movie is very tempting, very tempting. The same person will concentrate on the movie like anything, and give him a ball, the same person will play. Give him a guitar, whatever interests him or her, this person will give full attention. So your attention, your concentration, your focus is not the problem. The problem is somehow you have not understood how to create interest at studies. What to do then? Number one, try to understand what you are going to do after studying. Try to understand the results, the benefits of studying, and don't take things for granted. Many times we think that we know what our studies will bring to us, what our reading will bring to us, and since we take it for granted, our unconscious mind and our subconscious mind don't accept it. But write down few points why you want to study, and slowly your subconscious will learn, subconscious will understand, yes, it is important for you to study. This is only one of the tools that you can apply. Secondly, forget those black and white textbooks. Make it interesting. You decorate your room, you decorate your study room. You have a well dedicated table for your study, or if it is possible for you, have a dedicated room for your study, and bring in all color textbooks that you like. Use color pens and use many different things, maybe geometrical shapes, portraits, whatever you like. Make your room very interesting, make a study table very interesting, and then make your textbooks very interesting, make your exercise books very interesting. Just make them so interesting that you find that when you get into the room, it attracts you, it starts attracting you. Make it very interesting, and then don't try to focus so much, don't try to concentrate so much. Make it fun, because we learn only when we are in fun mode. Otherwise our brain goes into beta mode, and when brain goes into beta mode, there is no learning. Only when the brain is in alpha mode or theta mode, there is learning. And alpha mode or theta mode we can switch on only when we are happy, only when we are enjoying the ambience, only when we are enjoying whatever is there around. So make it fun. Do some creativity, get into some creative exercises. The film model who you like, or maybe the football player you like, or maybe the guitarist you like, or maybe the spiritual guru you like, put their portraits on your table in your study room, and then slowly try to develop that interest, try to develop friendship with your study room, friendship with your reading room, and then friendship with the books that you have. And you will find that you are now much interested. The most part of the problem, the larger part of the problem is solved. There's another method to it. It's not another method, you can use a combination of these methods. depending on what you really like. The another method is, don't try to mug up things only from the textbooks. Many times textbooks are really too serious, and don't try to mug up from textbooks. Use different things, maybe video, maybe you can use television for that purpose, maybe you can use your smartphone for that purpose, maybe you can use your iPad for this purpose, or maybe you can invite friends to your room for discussion. Make it lively, and something that you discuss with friends, the chance that it will retain with you, your brain will memorize it, is almost double. Discuss things with your friends, make calls from your study room, talk to friends. Don't make it a very, very boring place, make it a very interesting, very lively place. Choose the color of the walls, choose the texture the way you want to, and try to bring that creativity. Once you do this, I am sure a larger part of the problem is resolved. Another thing that you can probably do is, sometimes instead of reading in your reading room, you can play guitar there, you can play ball there. Just use it for many different purposes, so that you have very different vibrations all around. You have very interesting vibrations all around. You have happy vibrations, you have happy moods, you have got good vibes all around in the room. And I am sure all this will put your reading room, your study room in a mode that you start enjoying your studies.